Hello everyone. What I'm going to show you in this video has been verified and tested by the mechanics here, so relax, we're almost there. The HDC not available system fault message on a Range Rover means that the hill descent control system has temporarily stopped working. This system helps control speed on slopes and prevents the car from losing control when going downhill. Many clients tell us, I was going down a hill and the warning appeared, and I felt the car no longer braked by itself like before, which makes it clear that this is a safety measure rather than a direct fault. Next, one of the most common issues is with the ABS and speed sensors. In some client interviews, one of them said, after driving on muddy, rocky paths, the message appeared and wouldn't go away. From the workshop's perspective, if the sensors send inconsistent information, the HDC module automatically disables the system. As we often say among technicians, the car prefers not to take risks if it doesn't know exactly what's happening with the wheels. Additionally, we can't forget about the battery and voltage. Some clients mention the battery was low and multiple electronic warnings started appearing. In these modern Range Rover models, any voltage drop can affect several systems, and HDC is one of the first to shut down as a preventive measure to protect both the vehicle and the driver. On the other hand, in some cases, the HDC control module may need recalibration or reset. Some clients tell us the workshop had to connect the scanner to reset the module, and just like that, everything returned to normal. Even the brand's technical bulletins mention that in certain models, software updates or module recalibration is required to get the system working properly again.